Hello everybody, it's Dr. Drew Stabile with Stabilized Chiropractic, and welcome to your Health and Wellness blog. So one of the main things I do here as a chiropractor is restore motion to joints. If there are areas in your body where you don't have a normal range of motion, it's going to irritate the soft tissue in the area, and that's going to put pressure on your nervous system, which you're going to interpret as pain. So a chiropractic adjustment will restore motion to those joints, allowing the inflammation to subside, decreasing pressure on that nervous system and decreasing your pain. For more information, please check out our website at www.stabilizedchiropractic.com, or you can call us here at the office at 415-472-2232. Have a wonderful day.